Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright, so we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. People that know about My Lead Gen Secrets use multiple accounts. We're using one because most people who just start will only use one account to see if it works. So I'm just going to show you my results. You know what I mean? You may have better results than me, worse results than me, but this is what I'm getting, guys. I just want to show you exactly what's going on when you use this strategy, so on and so forth, right? So if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting that $25 all-in-one digital business, because essentially it's a funnel builder. It's a ton of stuff, but a funnel builder overall, and it's $25 a month for the funnel builder with no limitations. And I think it's a great product, works really well and easy to connect stuff and all that good stuff. And when you compare to like the most popular funnel builder out there, which is ClickFunnels, $97 per month with a ton of limitations. You want to get rid of them limitations, $300 per month, and that's a whole year in the $25 business, which is crazy. All right, guys, whole year for 1 month, but it's basically the same features. So anyway, guys, that's the first reason why I like promoting it. The second reason is because I think you guys are interested in this as well, and why I was initially interested in promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That is insanity. That is insanity, guys. That's so good. So I want to speak on that and show you guys that you can build a crazy income with that. 80% recurring income is absolutely the highest by far that I have ever seen. Highest before this was probably like 40, 30 or something like that, 33, 40, somewhere around there. So yeah, guys, this is how you do it. This is the easiest way it's gonna go. I'm doing the bare minimum, guys, and I'm making money with it. Okay, guys, imagine what you guys could do if you really put your mind to it. Anyway, guys, let's get on to it. Let's show the results here. Now, before I do this, we're gonna refresh the page, and when people show you results, make sure they refresh the page and show you real results. Okay, guys? Yeah. Because it's easy to change all these numbers around to anything they want. When they refresh it, it show real numbers. All right, so let's do it. All right, it looks like, what happened? Kind of confused. Hold on. Oh, I did not only not get a sale yesterday. I got somebody had got a refund. So sometimes that happens, guys. Sometimes people get refunds and nothing really you can do about it. It just happens. You gotta get over it. All right, guys. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna continue on, pressure on, move forward, guys. Right? Sometimes you get bad news. That's just how it is. So we got a refund. I ain't had a refund in a long time. To be honest with you, I kind of forgot they happened. So anyway, guys, we're gonna move on here. We're gonna go into our system here. We're gonna click on that, select all the emails here. I'm gonna click on the next email we got through this Big Money Day. So we'll go right here. All right, so we're gonna just upload this one, and boom, boom, boom. You can just pause if you want to copy the emails there. We're gonna try something different. We're gonna take our name out of it, see what happens. We're gonna change it up a little bit. It probably sick in my face. Let's see. And also make sure you use this link here, guys. We're gonna use the all-in-one $25 business link right here, because it promotes not only the $20, it also promotes the $100, guys. Remember that. That's why you want to use that. All right, so yeah. So that's the reason we're using that. Make sure you hit perfect time. Perfect time does send an email around time people check their email. And also make sure to preview and make sure your link works. I know mine works. Gonna just copy an email that I already done did. So we're gonna send an email and we are already done, guys. It's all it takes, and it's easy to do very quickly, fast and efficient, and you make around, well, my best month was last month, and I made think it was 680. I made 680 last month. So guys, it's worth $680 extra can really, if $680 extra can really help you out, just follow this along, man, because it's working for me. All right, guys, that's all I'm trying to say. Now, anyway, man, like I stated before, you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.